In this video, I will show you how to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. Now let's say you want privacy to your messages. All you have to do is click on your profile icon right here and then click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now you just have to scroll down and tap on messages and story replies. So you just have to click on that and then tap on message controls. Now as you can see, this controls lets you decide whether you want to get message requests or you don't want to receive message requests from your chats list. So in order for you to receive message requests, you just have to tap in right here, your followers on Instagram. So if you chose message requests, all those followers of yours on Instagram will automatically be directed to message requests. And then you just have to go back and tap in others on Instagram. So those people who you don't follow or those people that doesn't follow you will be automatically directed to message requests. So you just have to make sure that all of this, such as others and your followers, are toggled on request only. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!